Hello all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of a Chevrolet Volt. This one comes from 2013. In this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. So let's start right away. First of all, press the ignition on. Ignition on. And then we're going to use this area over here. Press the configuration button. Once you are here, find vehicle. Press to enter it. And you'll see languages. Press. Change it. Say Italiano, press it, and you'll see that this area and the navigation area is now changed to Italian language. Let's go back to English, press it. Also this area is now changed to English. This area also. Thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Use the comment area for any questions and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.